Do It Yourself Hydroseeding. Hydroseeding is an effective way to cover a large area with lawn. The process involves spraying a mixture of seeds, hydroseeding mulch, fertilizer and tackifier, or bonding agent, on the ground area. It promotes quick seed germination, reduces soil erosion and is less costly than sod. The mixture serves as a protective barrier for the seeds, making germination possible. Hydroseeding can be done in the spring, fall and early summer. Hydroseeding specialists are available should you choose to have the work done professionally. Things you'll need: water, lawn aerator, tank, hose, hydroseeding mixture. Step 1. Prepare the soil. Getting the soil ready is the same for any type of grass seed used. Remove weeds, debris and grade the ground for a smooth surface. Aerate the area. This is a process of creating small holes in the soil, making the soil more receptive to absorption of water and seeds. Lightly pack and dampen the ground. Step 2. Put the hydroseeding mixture into a tank that attaches to the hose. Hydroseeding mulch in the mixture is an important ingredient. It helps prevent water runoff and erosion, holding up to 10 times its weight in moisture and enhancing seed survival. Spray the mixture on the area, following the equipment and hydroseeding manufacturer's instructions. The mixture is often a bright blue or green color for easy spotting and tracing. Step 3. Lightly water the area for 3 to 4 weeks. Keep the ground surface moist, watering 2 or 3 times each day during the first 2 weeks. Gradually decrease the number of watering times in week 3 and 4, since the hydroseeding mulch aids in preserving moisture. Observe the area as new growth appears and respray any bare areas. Protecting the seed and allowing it to germinate is crucial.